Yo! Ow! I think we're good now. I think the delay's off. I think the delay is off. Hi, Rude. Hi, Prox. Tell me how fast it said hi to you. Yo, hi, Crypto Craig. Tell me, is that faster? Response time? Let me delete this tweet. We're going to do a new one. It's good? Is that good? What's up, everybody? What's up, Prox? Was that quicker? I think we got it off. You heard it right away? Yo, Panda! Sorry, guys. Like I said, after getting hacked, bro, my whole setup is so fucked up. Everything is screwed up, dude. Like, I'm just trying to, like, get it all back, and it's my first time. I, like, literally had to wipe my whole computer. So annoying. Trying to get it all back perfect. But we'll start in, like, 2 minutes. Yo, RPM, my man. When are you going to call in? You got to call in, bro. No, I can't. I can't. Yeah, you can. You can go hide somewhere. Put the whip down for a minute, Panda, and call in. All right. I think I've made you guys wait long enough. Are you ready? Are you actually ready? Fair warning. I am sick. I am sick as a dog, but I'm a man of my word. I said I'd stream, and I owe you a stream. I owe you a stream. Bitcoin almost 20K. Let's go! Spam that shit! Tell your baby mama that we live! I want to see 22s in chat right now! This whole thing should be covered! This way should be covered in 22s. Spam that shit. Spam it. Until it's 22, I'm not showing my face. No face reveal until I see 22 everywhere. Go, 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 go. Start the song again. Welcome to the world's greatest Friday night stream. Yes, I am sick. I'm sorry if I sound different. Let's get this shit going. Did you miss me? Because I missed you, the great nation, namely. Go! Tell your fucking baby mama! Go! That we lie! Woo! Vape Nash, where are you? Spam that 22, baby. Yes! I love it! I love it! Put the wig on. I don't know where it is. It's the moment you've been waiting for. It's Friday night. Ha-ha! Hello, 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 good people. I want to know where everybody's from. Let's get a little roll call going. It's a beautiful day today. It really is. It's a beautiful day today. Oh, damn it. I had BTC up. I had all that shit prepared. I guess I closed it. I got too hype. All right, let me know if the music's too loud. Oh, it's great to be back. BTC, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's see, BTC to US dollar. Oh, how are we looking? 20K! Oh, baby. You know what sucks? You know what really sucks? That when I got hacked, I lost almost 0.7 Bitcoin. Think about that. All of my mining profits since I began mining gone like this. I almost had a whole Bitcoin that I earned by myself. Almost, man. What a freaking bummer, dude. Damn. You know that 14K they stole from me right now? It's probably worth like 16. The hackers stole 2.3 Ethereum from me. Almost 0.7 Bitcoin. A couple $100 worth of Raven. A couple $100 worth of Doge. Litecoin. I think that's all they stole. Yeah. Thankfully enough, my Zelcore was saved. So I do have a little bit of Flux and Ergo. Oh, my man, Fully Electric. You rock, brother. Miss you. Awesome having you back. Yo, thank you so much. Yeah, it sucks, Crypto Craig. You never messaged me back, by the way, Crypto Craig. Yo, Fully Electric coming in. Let me know if I'm loud enough. Thank you so much, my friend. I really appreciate that. Thank you for the $10. Thank you, man. I'll buy Bitcoin with it. But look at this, guys. Bitcoin is rallying. I love to see this. Oh, my God. The last 5 days, we're up almost 20%. Almost 20%. Wow. In the last 5 days. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that, dude. All right. Let's check out Flux. Anybody want to see Flux? I think Flux hasn't really been doing much, unfortunately. Flux hasn't been moving as much. I don't even see it on Coinbase. Yeah, that's not even a good graph. What the hell is this? Maybe crypto.com? Rally! Crypto is alive! I've been saying it for ages! Your boy said it first. I said the bear market has bottomed. And nobody believed me. People were like, DJ, you're an idiot. I said, we're in the bottom stages. My man, Blockchain Domain with the $10. Let me know if you can hear that Hadouken. It's kind of quiet in my ear. Thank you. Thank you, Blockchain. I appreciate you. 7 green days in a row. Correction incoming. It could be. It could be a false bear trap. It could be a bull trap. Let's see. I've been saying this for a while. People have been ignoring me. People have been saying I'm an idiot. I'm used to it. They always say this shit. Where did I say? I've been warning people for ages. I said it a day before it happened. Where was it? I've been telling people, but nobody listens to me. I'm just an idiot. Oh my God, network-based crypto recovery fund. You guys don't ever feel pressured to donate money to me, but I appreciate that. Thank you so much, man. That's really kind. I'm gonna use all the donation money from today's stream on Bitcoin. Oh, Panda, thank you. Panda came in. Take off your pants. You want me to pull it out? I'll pull that shit out just for you. Baby, I'm excited for you, Panda. You are. Oh, it's the winter dreams with my boy Panda. And thank you for the $13.99 Canadian. That's like a dime in US dollars. And thank you to Network Picks for the 10. And thank you Fully Electric for the $9.99. It made me take my pants off. And Blockchain. God, I'm a good singer.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, it turned on.
New England crypto. You hit me where it really tingles. Coming in with the big PP energy. $15. You don't ever have to donate to me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, New England Crypto. Been loving your videos, by the way. We'll get to the viewer call in a minute. I want to check this market out. Thank you guys. Holy shit. Man, this is deja vu from the webcam 69. Did you feel moist? I can't find it. Oh, so I got this and so I got this up and running. I just want to update you guys. Dude, my videos have been doing terrible. Holy crap. My newest video that I put out today, I'm at like 300 views. What the hell is going on? I'm at like 300 views, bro. I'm like, this is unheard of. 1,000 views I thought was bad before. Took 3 months off. Oh my God. But yeah, I got this up and running. It's actually right there. This is a lottery play. Fully electric. 1990. Thank you, God. Holy shit. Oh my God, brother. There's some crazy thing. Thank you, man. Thank you. I am also sick. All right. Thank you so much. So yeah, thank you, dude, guys, everybody. I fucking love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having my back. And sincerely to all of you, like there's been so many people who have been reaching out after I got hacked. If you guys didn't know, I'll give you the TLDR. I got hacked for $14,000. Every bit of crypto I had except for on Zelcore, which was like a little bit of Flux and Ergo. I lost all my YouTube channels, my Google account, my emails, my Twitter, everything. And yeah, the community's been so dope, man. I love the mining community. Shout out to all of you. I really appreciate every single one of you, man. I know times have been hard. I know that. I know crypto has been rough. I know crypto's been rough, but trust me, guys. Stay with my channel. Stay with all the other content creators' channel. This bear market will not last that much longer. Even if it goes 12 months, which I don't think it will, but even if it goes 12 months, it's not that long. It's really not that long. We're already in 2023. 2022 went by like this, remember? I don't even remember 2022. It was so fast. Trust me, guys. This shit will end soon. You know, do what you think's best. For me, I'd say I'm loading up, but I lost all my money. But I'm very interested still. So yeah, I got this up and running, and I don't know if you can see this. I'm using G Miner. So this is my lottery play. It's really, really low. It's in the mega hash. So I'm at about almost 700 mega hash, a little less, 700 mega hash Bitcoin miners, solo mining, and hopefully hit a block. We probably won't, but you never know. And yeah, and then also today I made a YouTube video. Like I said, it did so bad, bro. It did so bad. My YouTube videos are doing terrible right now. Holy crap. It's this right here, the SenseCap M4 node review. So this one, you guys know I only review things that I would actually use or that are interesting to me. This is interesting to me, and let me tell you why. I don't care if you buy it or not, okay? But the reason that this is so interesting to me on a personal level is because you guys know, Upsilon and I, we started our own Flux node business. We actually, and I'm very proud to announce this, we got 50 nodes on Flux, up and running, Cumulus nodes. We were part of that, and that makes me feel good. So as someone who did the same thing, this was something I really wanted to review because it was like, man, the evolution of these Flux nodes. We said this before, right? We were talking about it. We were like, dude, this is such a good idea. It was really his idea. I just helped him sell it and stuff because I'm really good at like marketing and stuff. And he was like, dude, let's be 50-50 partners. And I was like, absolutely. And so we really like, we sold out. Everything was good. And I said, dude, this is such a good idea that really he started that, but I was a part of, that someone in China is going to rip us off. Like, this is too good of an idea, bro. Like, too good of an idea. And so I'll show you what we were selling. We're not selling them anymore, by the way. He might be. I know I'm not. So this is what we were selling. And dude, like, this was like just the first batches that we had. The box looked a lot better before, but I still have one more here, actually. This is the box that we were giving you guys. Sorry. But hey, at the time, this is all that existed. And we were selling these. We'd buy these in bulk. And to be honest, I mean, and here's the SenseCap, right? The SenseCaps do exactly the same thing. There's no difference as far as like, like there's still a node. Both are a node. Both do exactly the same thing. But look how cool that is, dude. And I told him, I was like, dude, this is such a good idea that like we can't compete with this. Look at this, dude. Look at this. This is what we were giving you, which is still dope. But look, man, look at the evolution of the Flux node now. Wow. I mean, it's kind of like a helium miner in a sense, in some sense, you know what I mean? Look at that. And so I reviewed this. I guess people aren't really interested in it. Like I said, I got 300 views. But it's nice, dude. It's a Raspberry Pi giveaway. Bro, I'm $14,000 in the hole. I am not even thinking about giveaway. And here's the instructions that we were giving people. And we also had a YouTube video. And dude, they have a full-on app now and all this crazy stuff. And they're selling for just slightly above what we were selling for. I do have a what's it called? I do have a code where you get 20 bucks off if you feel like using that. Here, I'll even put the link in it. You'll get 20 bucks off if you use my code. So it ends up being pretty close to what we were selling ours for. And it's crazy, man. Like, I knew this was too good of an idea. Cheaper and easier. I wouldn't say it's cheaper. I'd say it's about with the discount code I just gave you, it's about the same. But yo, what's up, Mining King? This thing is cool though, bro. Isn't this freaking cool, dude? Again, it doesn't do anything better or worse than ours, but it just looks so much cooler, bro. It's small too. You can see that. Look at that, dude. It's like a helium miner. That is badass, but yeah. I mean, honestly, dude, as someone who reviewed it, you guys don't, like I said, I made the YouTube video on it. Obviously, it's not like a big hit. Nobody really cares. But this is cool, man. And like I said, look at the box, dude. Look at this box. Are you kidding me? Look at this, bro. We wanted to do something like this, but it was going to cost us like almost $10 a box, bro. This is why I say, man, if you have a good idea, you got to run with it quick. Look at this, bro. This is incredible. If you have a good idea, you got to run with it fast, man. Because somebody in China, they're going to do it way better than you. And cheaper. And honestly, it's going to be better. And this is the box we were selling. That's all you got from us, bud. And some bubble wrap. I bubble wrapped everything. That's all you got. So yeah, you can see, man. So let's look at Bitcoin. People are talking about Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. 20K, huh? We couldn't find a match. Okay, that's fine. BTC. Yeah. I've been saying this for a while, dude. I really feel like we were in the bottom. I've been saying this for a little bit now. The bottom stages. Now, here's the thing. I can look at this chart all day. We can all look at these charts all day. You're going to keep that running? I don't have the upload, unfortunately. You can look at charts all day for crypto. It's a tough one because crypto is like stocks, right? If I looked up Tesla stock, right? TSLA. I can look at Tesla stock and almost always tell you what's going to go on because it's been around. Oh, my man, the Mining King. DJ Mine SenseCap, yeah. Well, I haven't sold any. So they probably won't want to work with me again. I checked my analytics. I never sold any. I feel bad. But like Tesla stock, right? Like stocks. I can read these charts and almost always know what's going to happen. Not always, but I'm really good at this. Crypto, dude. Crypto's so young. Like, I don't know, man. Crypto's tough. You can look at these charts all day and be wrong. Yo, Leo coming in for the membership. Thank you. Crypto stocks, like, it's just so young, man. Like, we're in the infancy of crypto. I can't even find the damn chart. I don't know why. I don't know. Crypto's all over the place, man. Crypto really just follows the main markets from what I've noticed. What's a good place to look at crypto? Because everything that I'm using is pretty ass right now. Is it over 21K? I can't find a good chart. Damn. Look. It's going up, man. It's almost at 21,000? What? Look inside M4. It should have a hat model and SMA connector for the antenna. Oh, really? Can it be a helium miner too? I didn't have an antenna in mind. I don't think. Bro, it's BT. Yo, what's a good website? TradingView. That's right. Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sick right now. I know stocks. Crypto, dude. It's hard for me. Just because of what the fuck? Do I have to pay for this? I've used TradingView before, but do I have to pay for this shit? TradingView BTC. Yo, this is pumping. 21,000? It wasn't even 20K before I started the stream. All right, how do you do like the hourly? Let's see. Oh my God. Yo, crypto to the moon. Crypto, we're rich. Oh, I'm not because I got hacked. You guys are rich. Congrats. Yo, 21,000 and climbing. Oh my God. Tesla's God tier. strongly suggest buying Tesla. Oh my God, dude. What if we push 22K on Bitcoin? Yo, that'd be sick. This is a wild pump. Oh my God. Tesla's an easy buy all day, every day. Tesla's a long-term hold though, right? Like I wouldn't buy Tesla. Here's the thing. You don't buy something like Tesla and say, oh, in a month, I'll make money. No, you buy Tesla for the next 5-10 years and you will be balling. Trust me on that. Trust me. I've been holding my Tesla stock for at least 4 years, maybe 5. Trust me. And I've sold here and there, but Tesla is where it's at, bro. Trust me. Yo, do you guys want to do viewer call it or watch this Bitcoin pump? We haven't seen a pump in a while. I feel we needed this. Kind of more interested in this right now. Take profits. Oh man, let me see. Look at the 6 month. Yeah, so this is wow. We're gonna have a lot of resistance right here. Right here. Let's see, what month was this? August, you got a lot of resistance. We're gonna have some resistance in September of 22. We're gonna have a lot in November. This is a big level here. I think they're about to sell. Personally, that is a humongous wick. Unless something just happened that I don't know about, which I guess is possible. I think they're about to sell. I think, dude, that's a huge pump. That could be shorts. So basically what happened, and I don't know because I haven't looked at like the volume or anything or like any of the data. I'm watching this live with you. So basically if the shorts get covered, it'll just spike up, right? Because they got pushed out the market essentially. So either there's some massive buyer or that's shorts. I mean, that's a huge move. Huge. Look at this. This is not sustainable. That is not sustainable. Made a ton off Tesla. Keep holding. Dude, that's sick. Wow. But, you know, for what it's worth, I personally think we're going to crash down a little bit here. Just guessing, I would say if we can hold 20,000, that's extremely bullish. Honestly, if we can hold 19,000, I think that's extremely bullish. I think that's the most likely thing, is to hold around the 19,000, 20,000 area. Just cool down a little bit. If we could build some support there, that would be ideal, in my opinion. That'd be ideal. And then start slowly working way out. Me personally, I always get scared when things just shoot to the moon. I generally would sell things, not Bitcoin though, but like stocks. I generally sell when they like moon like that. It kind of bothers me. But when you hit like a support and start building a support and start consolidating, I feel more comfortable with it. I like the more gradual, you know, 3% here, 5% here. This is a huge move up. I mean, this is massive. So I mean, we'll see. This is crazy. Wow. Wow, and that's great. Let's see how the other coins are moving up. Oh, Flux back to 0.6. Surprisingly, let's see. It says, I don't know, is this versus Bitcoin? Is that versus Bitcoin or is that Flux on the 24 hours down 1.86? I'm not sure. I'm not too familiar with this crypto chart. But it looks like Flux is doing pretty well. Let's see Flux on a larger scale. I know we have a lot of Flux fans. Yeah, we're gonna have to break through. Flux is gonna have to get to like the 70, 75 cent range for me to feel confident. There's a lot of resistance here on Flux, like a lot of resistance. It looks like Flux has been having a lot of trouble breaking even close to that 60, 70 cent range. Let's look at Ergo. I think Ergo's been doing decent. Actually, let's look at Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin not too long ago was like 8 cents. Litecoin is up. Yeah. Dogecoin's actually down on the day, surprisingly. The 5-day, it's up 10%. Hey, that's very bullish though. 8 cents. That's good. It was 6 cents for a long time. To see any crazy movement though, we're gonna have to really move here. It seems like Bitcoin's the only one that's really doing anything wild, which is really weird. Usually when Bitcoin goes wild, everything else raises with it. So what are you guys' predictions here? Like I said, I would personally assume here it's going to cool off a little bit. We'll stop around the 19-20 range, and then we'll chill out. I hope I'm wrong. I'd love to be wrong. Yo, hobbyist, that's great. But even 19-20K, I mean, dude, we broke 21K. That's wild. Yeah, I think we'll cool off here. I expect to see something around this range. And I wouldn't be surprised if we went down a little bit more. I hope I'm wrong. The only way this could sustain is that something went crazy. Let's see. Is there any news on Bitcoin, or is it just a buyer? Bitcoin price rallies to 19.5K. Okay. Bitcoin retakes 20,000 or 20K leading. Yeah. I don't see anything here. El Salvador. I feel like El Salvador has been talked about. I feel like that's priced in. Wanted to buy Bitcoin. Drop back to 19. Even if it dropped back to 19, that's solid. That's still solid gains for a lot of people. Yeah, so no, I think that's good. All right, so I think we checked out everything. One more thing before we do the viewer call-in. Ergo to USD. I'd like to see what Ergo's doing. Hey, first stream in forever. We got 68 viewers and only 37 likes. What is this? Having bad sinus infection? Bro, I'm sick too, man. I'm sick too. It's on downtrend on the bigger time frames. Absolutely. Well, the thing is, you guys know I follow the markets. Not crypto, because there's really nothing to follow on crypto that much. The CPI data just came out, and it was looking good. It was looking good. The stock market's actually been rallying for like the last week. It didn't do much today. Maybe it's priced in. The Fed will talk in February, which is coming up in a couple weeks. And we're hoping that we'll get a 0.25 or 25 basis point raise. That way we slow things down, because we went from 75 to 50. So if we can get a 2.5, that's what this all comes down to, in my personal opinion. I don't think there's any one thing in the crypto space that's going to make crypto shoot to the moon, personally. I think what the Fed does is what's going to push crypto, right? I think it's kind of obvious, which is really weird, because when I first got involved in crypto, the coolest thing for me, this was like 2017. I wasn't mining. I did try mining in 2017, but it wasn't for me. I'm talking about like trading it. The coolest thing for me about crypto back then was like, oh, this is a hedge against inflation, right? So it didn't follow the natural markets, like the stock market, the bonds market and stuff. It turns out that's not actually true. It seems to follow it like this. Maybe in the future that'll change, but for everything I'm noticing, it's all controlled in the same market, and it's just another not commodity, but it's just intertwined and all that. So I think, depending on what happens next month, if they do a 25 basis point, which again is 0.25 for those who might not know, I think it's a full-on rally. I really do. I think full-on rally, depending on what the Fed says next month. Now, I would not be surprised if the Fed tries to teeter-totter that a little bit more, right? Because everybody's getting excited. I don't know if you guys been... What's going on, everybody? How you doing? I'm not ignoring you. I'm just talking. It's like a teeter-saw game. What's this called? Teeter-tot? Like, so inflation's going down or up, and the Fed tries to balance it out. Right now, I think personally, people are getting fed up. Nobody cares anymore about the bad news, from what I'm seeing, except for like little Timmy out there, right, who's crying about the price of whatever, right, on Twitter. Who cares about them in the YouTube comments? I'm talking about like real analysts, people that really know what they're talking about. I think everybody's kind of priced in most of this, and nobody really cares anymore. We already know it's all bad news, blah, blah. Let's get to the good stuff. And so I think the Fed's kind of pushed that on long enough. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm not saying it will happen. I'm hoping next month will be the beginning of something really good. But I would be surprised mid-2023 we're really on that upward trajectory, and by the end of the year, it's full-on bull run. Call of Duty tonight? Absolutely. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you. Let me know if you can hear that Hadouken. Thank you so much, Mining King. Every dollar that I donated tonight, I will spend towards Bitcoin. And I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys so much. I love the mining community. I don't know if you guys agree with me on any of what I just said. There's so much earnings coming out. Oh, and I mentioned this the other day when I was on the viewer call-in with Misfit Mining. Again, this is just my opinion. I could be completely wrong. Earnings have been bad for so long. You have to understand, right? almost all of 2022 was a negative thing, right? So because of COVID, everything shot to the moon. And we've had almost a year of negative earnings. So now, this year should really flip that because we had the worst recorded earnings in ages. So I think anything after the worst is pretty bullish. And by the end of the year, it's going to be extremely bullish. That's just my 2 cents. All right, let's do a viewer call-in. I feel bad. I haven't done that at all. Let me see if I can get this set up for y'all, actually. Give me a moment. Pow-pow. 22 if you want to do viewer call-in. Let's see. Let's get this going. Hi. My name is... Hey, Brett. Plugging into internet. Ooh, that's the wrong camera. Yo, this is the camera I used to use. Can you guys see a difference? This is my webcam. Wow, look at the quality or lack of. Yuck. This is my webcam. Look at this trash, dude. Isn't that trash? Look at this trash quality, dude. Oh my god. All right, let's get our DSLR back on. Oh, wait, where is it? Wait. Why is it not? I think... Is it open on OBS somewhere? Let me see. Look at the difference, dude. Look at the difference when I use my DSLR. Oh my god, Geek of all trades with a $22 million. Don't spend that BTC till it gets under 16K. Yeah. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate that, man. Let me see. Something is... Deactivate when not using. Something is... Thank you, dude. I really appreciate that, man. Yeah, something is borrowing my camera. So we can't do it for... Close. Where is it? Close when not open. One of these screens is still stealing it. Give me a moment. Logitech Brio. See, that one was working. That's some 2002 quality. Well, to be fair, though, I have like a very expensive light that I bought. So the webcam I wouldn't usually use that lighting with. Oh, there we go. What a difference. I can't do 1080p anymore. I forgot to pay for this subscription. Hey, bro. I'm down bad, all right? The great Cornholio. All right, so to invite all of you. Thanks for stopping by the shed. Oh, speaking of that. Oh, my God. Yeah, no, I actually fell asleep to you, Hiveos. I was so tired, bro. I'm sick as a dog right now. Viewer, I actually got this shirt. Shout out to the Hobbyist Miner. Make sure y'all check out this if you want to link it. He started his own, what do you want to call it? Shirt company? Viewer call in, link, rules, 3 to 5 minutes per person, unless VIP. No politics, no government talk. Hold on, guys. Yeah, bro, I've been sick as a dog, man. There. Did that work? Is the stream frozen? I don't even see myself right now. Oh. The great Cornholio. Anybody wants to call in, please keep it to 3 to 5 minutes per person, unless you're a VIP. If you're like a YouTuber, a dev, stuff like that, you know, we'll get you in longer. Oh, yes. This looks great. Can you see me now? You said you can't see me. Did I say I fell asleep with him? I fell asleep listening to him. Feel free to call in. DJ, this is a comeback from the hack. Yeah, well, dude, ever since I got hacked, like, it's been so shitty, bro. Dude, yesterday, my Twitter, so I woke up at like 2 a.m. because I was watching The Hobbyist until I fell asleep, which was like almost midnight. And then some other random person was streaming. I didn't even know who they were. I woke up in the middle of the night, and I had like 5 messages sent from me with like this Elon Musk shit. And I was calling out all these like random stocks or some shit. I don't even know what they were. Like GZHN. And it was all from me. And I was like, oh my God, they got my Twitter. I'm hoping I never changed my password the first time. Or they still had access to it somehow. I don't know. But like there was like 5 messages on Twitter. No, like 10 spam messages from me on my account that I never made. It was really annoying. I don't know. It's been so shitty, bro. It's been absolutely awful. All right, y'all better call in. Let's go. Let's talk crypto. You know what? I wish one of my haters would call in. That'd be great. Oh, you have to have face cam. If you don't have face cam, please don't call. We got no callers so far. I feel like once bull runs start, you'll blow up. Oh, yeah. That'd be great, man. Yeah. It's just the bear market, bro. I mean, everybody's doing really bad right now, to be honest. Yes. This is the 3070. I actually really like this shirt. Shout out to the Hiveos Sign. I don't have a link on me right now. If you use my code, I think you get like 10% off. Is it 5%? 10%? I don't know. Check it out, guys. You'll call? Hell yeah, call in, dude. What domain was the email from? I don't know. I don't even want to look at it. Keylog? I have no idea. I don't know all the details of it. I have my suspicions, but I don't know, man. It happened so quick. Was it emailed? It was like, I could look it up. Hold on. This isn't showing on stream, right? I don't want anybody to download this shit. I really don't even want to tell you guys because I don't want some little Timmy out there to find out. Batista. It was centrum.sk. Centrum.sk on the end. Website for the GPU shit. There you go. Oh yeah. Appreciate it, Hiveos Sign. Yo, honestly though, no cap. This shirt is dope. This shirt is dope, bro. This is like a badass shirt. Don't you guys think? I love it, man. I think it's dope. I think it's dope as hell. Can you get the file? So what you're asking me for is to be hacked. I mean, if you want it, I'll email it to you. Hit me up in Discord. But you take full responsibility what happens to you. It will not improve your life. Yeah, if you would like to be hacked. The soundtrack is too loud. Oh, the music? Oh, okay, my bad. All right, is anybody going to call in or what? If nobody's going to call in, I'm just going to keep looking at crypto stuff. Where's our Red Panda mining appearance? Where's our Red Panda mining appearance, huh? He did come in on one of ours. He came in on like our first or second one ever. Come on, Mining King. Come on, somebody. Tell me. Look, where are the YouTubers at, man? Where are the viewers? What are you guys mining? Talk to me. Let's go. Tell me about Terra hosting. Tell me about tell me about whatever, guys. Let's go. Oh, so like I said, because there's a lot of new people in here, I reviewed this today. This thing is badass, bro. Holy shit. It did terrible. I couldn't believe nobody was interested in it. I don't even think I sold one, to be honest. I feel kind of bad for them. This thing is cool, man. This is a Flux node, a Cumulus node. And just to show you, this is what we were selling. I didn't even know I had this left. I found this for the video, actually. I still have one left of these. This is what we were selling. They do exactly the same thing, to be honest with you. There's really no difference. Except for this looks badass. It's a little easier to use, to be honest. Yo, the B Crypto coming in with that $25 million. Thank you so much. Buy some Bitcoin and contribute to the pump, or maybe a hardware wallet. Oh, so funny you say that. I bought like 3 different hardware wallets with my own money. I got sent one from so I bought 3 with my own money. I got sent one from some random company. I forgot what they're called. Like a little credit card looking thing. I bought multiple Ubiquities with my money. All this stuff. I bought so much protection. None of it has come in. It's really annoying. I'm still waiting. Amazon's backlog. Oh, we got a caller. 007. our first caller of the evening. Hopefully you guys can hear him. Let's see. Here we go. And he's got a face cam. That's all I needed.
Hey, you can see me, right?
What's up, dude? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How you been, man?
Oh, I've been wonderful. How have you been?
Dude, I've been all right, man. I heard about the hack, man. I felt bad as shit. I didn't even know it happened at first till like I was looking at other callers' streams and stuff, and they were talking about it, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, man. I couldn't even log into YouTube.
Right, because I remember I used to hit you on like Discord every once in a while and like tell you little like tips I would figure out or shit like that, and then I didn't hear from you, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, they got my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything, man. Everything I can think of. Emails, for my YouTubes, everything. My whole life.
So, if you don't mind me asking, how did it happen though? Like, how exactly did you get hacked?
Okay, I'm not 100% sure. I think the most likely thing, and it's probably like 99% chance. So on my other channel, which is like my main YouTube channel, DJ Wars 22, I get a lot of sponsor offers because it's a gaming channel. I've worked with Blizzard. I've worked with like a lot of other companies. It's not unusual to get fake sponsor emails, right? Right, but I've been talking to them because usually, honestly, dude, I ignore 99% of them. But the game was called, I think it's called Starflight. It's coming out in January, and so I looked at it, and it actually looks like a game I would want to play. Like if you've ever played, what's that exploration
Starcraft
game?
And stuff?
No. You like travel to all these planets, and you keep going from planet.
Oh, Eve?
No. God, what's that game called? It's an exploration game, and you like hunt. And somebody in chat will know. I can't think of the name.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I'm a huge fan of space. I'm like a space nerd, all that stuff.
Yeah, Space Odyssey games. I like those too.
So it's like that, right? So I was like, dude, people are gonna. No, it wasn't Destiny, Mining King. So people are gonna pay me to play a space exploration game. I was like, let's do it. Okay. No Man's Sky. That's what it's called. No Man's Sky. So it looked like No Man's Sky, but like way cooler. And
okay.
So we were talking back and forth for like a week. We're working out the details. You know, this is what you gotta review. This is what we would like you to mention. This is the amount. Blah blah. So it was going on for like over a week, maybe even 2 weeks. And then we finally came to a compromise. They were like, okay, cool. We need you to have the video out by January 23rd. It releases, I believe, January 31st. It was something around there, right? And so again, this is how Blizzard Entertainment does it. You know, the makers of StarCraft, Diablo, now Activision, all them. So it's not unusual to do this process like this. So I download it, the PDF they sent me. I type in the promo code. Everything was good, I thought. So I thought. And so I opened it on my laptop, and what really sucked, dude, one of the worst parts is I was bragging to my kid. I was like, because he loves space even more than me, man. My kid loves space, which is so cool as a father to like have your kid interested in space. And I'm like, dude, I got this new space game. I showed him a trailer on YouTube, and he's like, we gonna play that? And I was like, yeah. I was like, it hasn't even came out yet. So he's so happy, bro. It's like Friday night or something. I don't even know what day, whatever day it was. I don't remember. It was on the 27th, whatever day that was. He's so excited. I download it and nothing happens. And I was like, that's kind of weird. Okay. So I try a RAR file or RAR, whatever. I download all these other zip files and I'm like, what's going on, man? It just wouldn't open. And so I was like, oh, my kid's like so sad, bro. He's like, you said we were going to play this new game. I was like, hold on. I run downstairs to the basement. I go on my main computer. Yeah, rip. I go to my main computer, which is this one, which I ended up. I download that same file. And I'm like, what is happening, dude? I can't get it to work. So I message. Nothing happened at this point. Must have been a Trojan or something in the background. I don't know. So I open the file. Nothing happens again. It just like opens. Nothing. And I'm just like, what in the world? So my kid's so sad, bro. He's like so disappointed. Like, I thought you said. I was like, wait, man, wait. I'm just so like stressed, bro. I'm so sad at this point. And about 30 minutes later, I gave up on it. So I emailed them. I'm like, hey, guys, the game doesn't open. Yeah, that was some kind of like malware or something running in the background. Yeah, so the game doesn't. I need a virtual machine for that. Yeah, so the game doesn't open. And about 30 minutes later, I go upstairs. And I'm just like, my kid keeps asking me. He's 6, you know what I mean? So he's going to ask you every 5 seconds, hey, you said we're going to. Yeah. So I'm sitting there. I'm playing on free cash, like just trying to earn some Bitcoin, blah, blah. And then out of nowhere, dude, I got like 8 alerts from Google. It's like, boop, 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 boop. It's like log in from, I think the first one said France. Is this you? I was like, no. Wow. And it's like, do you want to change your phone number? I was like, no. It's like, is this you? Changing recovery email. Email recovery changed. Phone number changed. Is this you? I'm like, no. I keep saying no to all of it. And it's, bro, everything. It's like logged out of
Yeah.
Instagram, logged out of Facebook. I was like, no, no, no. It's like, is this you? I checked my Gmail. It's like, sorry, this is not you, or everything, bro. Like, and it happened in
So it
seconds.
basically took over everything, yeah.
In a second, bro. Like, boop, 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 boop. They're all like,
Jesus.
oh my God. That's how I know it wasn't like a human. It happened all
Yeah,
at
yeah,
once, bro.
yeah.
It happened so fast. And then I'm freaking the fuck out, bro. I'm freaking out because at this point, I'm like, what is happening? Like, I don't even know how to explain it because I've been on the internet since like 6th grade, right? When we had dial up, I've never been hacked.
Right.
I've
Like,
always,
AOL and shit,
right.
yeah. I
I've
remember
always
that back
felt,
in the day.
I've always felt safe. I've always felt like I'm on top of it. I don't open random emails, blah, blah, blah. And then, dude, my whole life was taken from me in 4 seconds. Like, it's crazy. My 2FA didn't catch anything. I have, like, at the time, Google, nothing, right? So I'm freaking the hell out, dude. Freaking out. I tell my wife, I'm like, can you log into your stuff right now? She's like, what's going on? I don't even know that I've lost money at this point, dude. I thought that I just lost, like, my Google and shit at this point, right?
Right,
I didn't even know
You
that.
check that right away, yeah.
I didn't even know we're talking about crypto being gone at this point. I'm telling my wife, like, I'm getting hacked right now. I run downstairs. It's been about 20 minutes, so 15, 20 minutes, because I'm just freaking out, dude. Like, I'm not the kind of guy that get freaks out, but you freak out when this happens. I unplug my computer. I unplug our router, everything. And I look at my Exodus, and I lost $14,000. I see, like, if you've ever seen, like, your account, it's like this, and it goes to 0. I'm like, this can't be real. I'm like, dude, this could not. Yep.
So you had 2-factor authentication on some of your stuff, though?
On most of it. I did.
So,
like, at least my Google account. I don't think Exodus actually has it. I thought it did. I looked into it more.
So were you using, like, that Google Authenticator that gives you, like, a 30-second,
Yeah.
like, 2-factor
Yeah.
authenticator code, like,
Yeah.
every, like, 30 seconds, and it switches?
Yeah.
Right, I use the same thing, so...
Yeah. It's not safe.
Depending on what device it was on. Well, it's not that it's not safe. It just depends on what device it's on, because when you open that program, although it didn't open, it opened something in the background, right? Which started running processes in the background of your computer, right?
Yeah.
So that's probably like where it derived from, but it depends on where like all your like your wallets might have been, and like what all like you have on like that computer would have been, you know, for them to be able to take it over.
Yeah.
So that's like crazy.
Another thing that I stopped doing is like, you know how you like save for 30 days? That's something.
Yeah.
I'll take for full ownership of that. I'm like, I always do that. It's like, do you want to remember this password for the next 30 days?
I never.
Now I don't do it anymore. Now I don't. It's really annoying.
I'll write that shit down in a notebook before I do that.
Right. So now I don't. So that's another reason I'm just assuming. I don't really know. I don't know 100% like what happened or why or blah, blah.
There's another scam going around that's really, really deadly, and it's a phone call scam. I don't know if you guys know about it, but so what'll happen is you'll get these like telemarketing phone calls, and when you answer it, there's nothing there but silence. But what happens is when you're on the phone, like, hello, hello, what's going on is your phone's getting geotagged. And when you hang up, what happens is like a process will run in the background, and you'll start getting like spam emails and spam messages and shit. Like,
oh, really?
And it does it like every day, and it'd be like crazy emails talking about like the most craziest shit you can think of, right? And you can block them out. You know, that's probably the best you can do. But like that's the scam that's going around. And if you like keep answering the calls, eventually it'll like somehow like load some Trojan on your phone.
Oh shit!
And start going crazy. Because I answered it one time, and it was like weird, and I noticed I got spam messages after that. So like my phone's encrypted though, so like it's gonna be really hard to like get data off my shit. And I got like everything turned off, like all the settings are off. There's no unrestricted data in the background. None of that shit goes on my phone, right?
That's good.
So
that's good.
Right. So I blocked the phone numbers out, and I haven't got them since. But I started looking into it, and if you start actually like keep answering them calls, you'll start getting them worse and worse. And then if they load that program, whatever it is, onto your phone, you're pretty much screwed. It'll take your whole phone over. Like I'm talking about your Facebook account, like Google, everything. It'll just like lock you out of everything.
I believe it, man.
And
yeah,
my buddy's mom just had that happen to her, so that's how I know it was the same scam.
Yeah, it sucks.
So you guys got to watch out for that.
Watch out,
that's
man.
Why I don't answer calls no more. I don't answer. If I don't know the number that's on in my contact list, I don't even answer it. I'm like, they're gonna leave a voicemail, and if not, then I just won't call them back.
Absolutely,
So,
man. Yeah, the only thing protected, and it was on the same computer, my Zelcore,
okay.
didn't get touched
Okay,
at
good.
all. At all, which is like, oh, shout out to Flux or Zelcore. Who I don't know.
So
Do they
yeah,
make it?
Zelcore's really good.
That's the only thing that I didn't lose was my
Now
Zelcore.
there is a bug in Zelcore though, and I've tried to get
Yeah.
them to fix it, but they haven't done it yet. So I have Zelcore on my phone, right? And I put it on my computer. Now the wallets are still the same. It says the same names, right? Because I synced the device, right, with Zelcore. Now if I go to my computer, I can see my Ethereum Classic balance, but if I go on my phone, it doesn't show it at all. It shows 0, and it's weird. And I've even contacted them about it. So they try
Oh
to say
shit.
something about the proxy. I tried to change that and make sure both was the same. It just doesn't show it.
Yeah. So since then, for just to give you guys a summary, I have bought with my own money. I've bought what, like 3 or 4 of those hardware wallets. I'm
Like
waiting.
the tandem joints.
No,
Type one.
so Tangem actually sent me one because they saw my video,
Right.
and they're
Obvious and stuff.
yeah. Tangem actually saw my video. Dude, the support. Shout out to all of you, by the way. Shout out to the whole community out there, dude. I love you guys so much. So many people retweeted me getting hacked, and Red Panda,
Yeah, I even retweeted.
Hobbyist,
Yep.
Patrick, you, like everybody under the sun. People I haven't spoken to in years retweet. Thank you to everybody. Tangem actually saw it, was like, dude, we're gonna send you one for free, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
and so also, I ordered a bunch of Ubiquities for my Google. Like, I've ordered so much shit. None of it's come in, which is really annoying. I've ordered all types of stuff, dude. I'm so scared now. Like, I'm gonna get so much protection, but I have to get the next one. I'm so sorry, man. Thank you for calling.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Thanks,
Hell
dude.
yeah.
Much love, bro.
Yep. No problem. I mean, I'll leave out. I just wanted to say one more thing before I leave out.
Hell yeah.
When you all your crypto wallets, you should find a device that you don't use for nothing else. So maybe like an old phone or something. It doesn't have to be old, but something like your last used phone. Let's say you upgrade, you keep that old phone. I would keep those those wallets on that device or something, or maybe even a hardware wallet, something to where nobody could get to that no matter what, right?
100%.
So that way it's not connected to none of your Google accounts. You make a brand new one that's not attached to you whatsoever. It's just basically like a hollow account, right?
Yeah. 100%.
So that way you can if that ever was to occur again, you could have a better chance of not having it taken.
100%.
Instead of having a Google wallet.
100%.
All right, bud.
Thanks, dude.
Yep.
Peace, buddy.
Peace.
Dude, I haven't used this in so long. I'm trying to remember how to. Oh, here it is. Oh, now we have the great, the one, and the only, the Mining King. Hello, my friend. What's up?
Going on, man?
You know, it's snowing. How's that Florida weather?
It's been 75. It's been humid. Not too bad today, but there's supposed to be a cold front coming in, so it's 58 right now.
Oh, 58. Cold front, chat. Brr.
The 40s, you know how it is. So
yeah. I used to live in Florida, and I definitely thought 40s and 50s was cold. I would die when it was 50 out, man.
I mean, I'm originally from Washington State, so I'm used to much colder, so it doesn't bug me. So
yeah. How's Terra hosting, man? If you guys didn't know, the Mining King's over in Florida right now, and he's now about to tell you about Terra hosting.
So it's going pretty good, man. Dude, I don't want to say we underestimated, but man, there's just so much to take on when you're taking on a building of this size and trying to do what we're doing. We're not just doing GPU hosting and ASIC hosting, right? We're talking, server co-location, dedicated servers, Flux nodes, all kinds. We're doing everything.
That's cool.
We're even thinking about I know I put it in one of my streams on the road, I think, and I got kind of some mixed feedback, but I was thinking about maybe we could offer VMs. People could rent VMs for core wallets, right? Because core wallets have been a really kind of a big issue here where, they have malicious stuff in the background. Labyrinth was bad. Cow might have been poorly coded. Maybe it wasn't malicious, but still stuff like that can happen where you lose your crypto. So I use a VM. I have multiple servers at my house, so I always use a VM for any wallet that's brand new to me. So we were thinking about maybe offering a service like that where people could rent a VM from us and use it for their core wallets, to kind of keep themselves safe and secure. Other than that, though, man, dude, I've been working every day.
Yeah, man, you look tired. You look bread.
Having a beer, you know what I mean?
Hell
I
yeah.
cut it a little early today, so kind of just going to relax for the rest of the night. So ran a bunch of network cable today, and I'll be running a bunch more tomorrow.
I bet, man. I used to have a VM during 2021 because I watched Red Fox Crypto. You know him, right? Red Fox Crypto. Yeah, he did a tutorial on how to get NovaBot. And so that's how like I would get a lot of graphics cards. So like especially when it was impossible to get a GPU, man. I would just run NovaBot off my VM, and then I'd have to pay like 50 or 75 bucks, I forget. And then I'd have like maybe 8 of those bots running. And bro, sometimes I'd wake up and I'd have like 10 graphics cards in the shortage from Amazon and like random websites, and it would just scan and scan, and it was too many GPUs. I was like, oh my god, I owe $4,000. I'd be like, oh, okay, all right, turn this thing off.
I had a connection during the bull run. I had a connection to a distributor, so I would just, but I had to buy a dozen at a time. So
hell yeah, dude.
But
that's what's up.
Yeah, I didn't do the bots, so I didn't want to pay any money for those. But yeah, man, Terra hosting's going good, man. Every day we're pushing. The partners for the company are me, Yeti, Vistang, and Hawk.
And Hawk, there you go. That's a good combination.
So
are you guys taking ASICs and GPUs already, or we're not at that stage yet?
So I don't. I'm not the CEO. I'm not the sales guy. Like I always say, I'm the guy that works in the back. I know people can inquire. So if you want to inquire about pricing and stuff like that, I know we're going to have some big news coming up pretty soon about our GPUs.
Hell yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Make sure to check the Terra Hosting website, terrahosting.io. But I mean, you can inquire right now because I think our plan is, and you can't hold me to it, I'm definitely not the spokesman here.
Clip it.
I think we want to be like live, full live in mid-March. You know what I mean? Is what we could be earlier, but we know we need we're working with Lumen, our fiber provider, and stuff like that. So this isn't awesome. This isn't like your Comcast internet where they're coming in next week and then you're good to go and everything's plugged in. So definitely, it's
a lot of stuff.
Yeah, dude. We were working every day, but I mean, this isn't. We don't plan just to have one facility. You know what I mean? We plan to build like a legacy. So we're already looking at facility 2 and 3.
Dang, already, huh?
Yeah, man. This is we want to build an actual company. So it's exciting, man.
Question: I know people will wonder.
I can't see that either. So if they got questions, I can't see them.
I'll just ask you a question. I know people are wondering. What separates Terra Hosting versus any other Crypto Cavern or Bottom or anybody?
So I don't want to name companies specifically, right? Because I'm not trying to dog them or anything like that. Because everybody has their own business models, but we've done research into other hosting businesses. So one thing that really stuck out for quite a few of them is you have to pay a year of electric up front. So, hey, if you want to send 10 GPU rigs there, you got to pay all that electric all up front.
That's true. Yeah.
So, I mean, that could cost you, tens of thousands of dollars, 20, 30 grand, 40 grand that you got to put in. There was a company that also made you buy their hardware, so their cases, as well as you had to buy their GPUs.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
So if you had existing cards already at your house, like let's say you already had 50 GPUs, right? You couldn't even send it to them. Our policy is going to be to say, man, all you got to do is just send us our GPUs and we'll put them online.
That's cool. Not even a month of electric.
So the deposit, I believe our deposit. Once again, I'm not the sales guy here.
Right.
I believe the deposit is $100 a rig, and that's what we require. I think that's fair.
That's fair. Yeah.
So I think that's pretty fair. We offer an unmanaged and managed solution. So obviously there's people who are new to crypto mining, don't understand it, want to get into it, right? if you want to send us, cards or whatever, right? You buy the cards and have them drop shipped to us, stuff like that. We'll manage the rigs for you. You just tell us what coins you want us to mine, right? And we'll, between us 4 crypto miners, between me and Yeti, Hawk and this thing, right? We can tune all the cards, efficiently for if you want to mine Flux, Ethereum Classic, Ergo, whatever it is your heart, desires, So that's like the managed solution where we would take care of everything for you, right? And unmanaged is going to be like, well, you can send it to us, right? And you're going to manage the rig on your own. We're going to give you the power in the Ethernet and stuff like that. But
man, that's cool.
But both options, we would still, blow out your rigs on a regular basis and do maintenance for you guys. So
there you go. Terra hosting. Somebody put the link in because I know Panda was streaming today, and then Hawk was like, show it. Eventually he showed it. It looked really nice. The website looked really good.
So that is all coded from scratch from Yeti.
That's awesome.
And there's a lot of integrated stuff for the back end where it's going to scrape stuff from Hive and you'll be able to see live statistics on the website and stuff like that. And he's insane with his coding, man. He's really good.
So is that how it'll be ran? Is through Hive? Like Linux for the most part?
For the website, or are you talking about for mining?
For mining.
I don't know if we're going to venture out and do other OSs. I think we're going to stick with Hive.
I like Hive.
I do know that Yeti is, I know it's not out yet, and I don't know, a lot of people may or may not know this, but Yeti and some others were working on another operating system of their own called Mine Farm. So that could be in the future, but that's kind of been put off to the side right now.
Oh, Mine Farm. Ooh. Leaky King. That's what you always tell Hawk. Hawk's mouth is always open.
Actually, originally Mine Farm wasn't going to be an operating system, but he's ended up turning it into. If you want to watch one of my older videos, you can see some of this stuff that the old Mine Farm offered for like maintenance management and stuff like that. I have a video on it.
Okay.
So
that's cool, dude. So Call of Duty tonight?
Yeah, we'll do some Call of Duty tonight, man.
I need it. I went to bed so early the last 2 days. I've been sick. I'm still sick, by the way. But I think tonight I deserve this.
Nice.
I shoveled snow. That beard's killer, man.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you trim it down?
I shaped it a little bit before I came down. I got a haircut, so I wouldn't be so scraggly.
I can see it.
So, yeah, I mean, I just wake up and I just go to work, come back, drink beer, play COD for a little bit, go to bed.
That sounds like a good life, chat. What do you think? So Bitcoin, have you seen it? It's moving. We broke 21K.
Watching your chat earlier today, and and I watched it. I heard it was pumping, and now when I was watching your live, it was over 21,000, which is freaking awesome.
Yeah,
I think, not financial advice, I think the bull run's coming in August, September is when it's going to come.
And that is so soon. I agree. I really agree. The later half. I don't know which month, of course. It's hard to say, but I definitely think the later half, it's going to start for sure. And there's not much time. Like, it seems like there's so much time. For me, 2022 went by, like, I don't even remember it. I was like, oh, my God. I think we're going to be in the bull run before we know it.
Yeah, I think it's going to be it towards the end of this year. But, yeah, I think we're going to start seeing that bull run again.
So, bottom in? We're done? King?
I think so. We're not getting no lower.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Now, if we can just hold 20K, like, as the new support, that'd be great. Satoshi from GPU Risers. That's different than Vistank?
I think so. Yeah. That might be one of his mods.
Oh, okay. What's up, Satoshi? He says Bitcoin to 100,000 into the. I don't know about 100K. That'd be great. I don't know about that.
I actually don't even hold that much Bitcoin, really. I have all my holdings in Flux. I'm on the Flux crypto yacht here. So
I like Flux. Man, I had almost 0.7 Bitcoin stolen. God, I almost created my own Bitcoin, bro. It's so bad.
Oh, dude, that's heartbreaking right there, dude.
It's all from mining and playing free cash, but it's mostly mining.
Well, right. Were you mining the 2 miners and having it converted out, or were you
Right.
just
Yeah. I was doing that because I don't really believe in Ethereum. I don't know. I don't like the project. I know you're not a fan. I don't like anything about Ethereum. The only Ethereum I had was 2.3 Ethereum because I hit that solo block. And I was like, you know what? Since I hit the solo block on it, I'll just keep it in Ethereum. But it doesn't matter now. You know, I got stolen.
Yeah, no. I traded all my Ethereum for Flux, so
Yeah.
I was directly mining Ethereum, and I just traded it all out. So,
What do you think Flux will be at the end of the next bull run?
at its peak, I think we could see prices of. This is going to be a kind of a big range because I think it could go either way. I think it's going to be between $10 and $25.
Wow, that's a lot. Holy crap. I was thinking $5 I'd be happy.
They've been making a lot of headway, but all it's going to take for them, right, to really explode is just one big customer to come over to them. You know what I mean? I mean, they made a big move with OVH, so that's really good. They have an OVH partnership. I don't know if you.
I don't know that one. No, tell us about it.
OVH is actually one of the largest data center companies in the world. They have 33 data centers across the globe. And another tip is all of their servers are actually water cooled, and they make all their own custom water blocks.
That's cool. That is cool. Hell yeah. Yo.
Yeah.
Sorry, you got to shout out to Sadie. Sometimes $30.80. Thank you so much. Stop the cap. Let me hit the button.
Stop the cap.
Could you hear that? Or is it too
Yeah,
quiet?
I heard that.
Okay, stop the cap. Sorry that happened to you. Glad you're back. Thank you so much. Very nice. Very nice. Any final words, Mighty King? I got to kick you off now.
Yeah, I know. I'm not a VIP.
You are a VIP. I give you 10 minutes. I love you. I got to end the stream soon. So that way I can play some Call of Duty.
You know, love you, DJ, man. Glad to see you back. You gonna start being more regular now?
Oh, yeah. 100%. 100%.
Right,
I took those 3 months off. I was being a baby bitch. But we back, even if I can't. I'm actually mining again. Not everything.
Oh.
Not everything.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I didn't even tell people about that. Maybe I should do a video on that. I got my coin miner on, which is not intelligent. It is not efficient. I need to turn that thing off. It's 97 terahash at like 3,300 watts. Dog crap, but whatever. I'm losing like almost $5 a day.
Do they not offer a low power mode on that?
On the coin miner? No, it's a trash company.
I love Bitmain. Right before Christmas, they released a low power mode for their ant miners for the ASICs. So my S19 Pro is doing 2,000 watts at 80 terahash.
Yeah, there's a new one coming out, which I've been looking at. They're going to release the 122 terahash, and I think it's like 3,300 watts, but it's only $2,200. I was like, what? I will buy that. Are you kidding me?
I think they're going to come out with the S21 here.
Probably.
Run.
Probably.
I think the machines are going to get phased, but that's just me. Maybe I'm wrong. I feel like they've been around for a while, and they've been mining on the S21s for the last 2 years, so they're ready to release them.
Probably. I was talking to Charlie from China. He's like the plug. He knows all the ASIC companies. He goes to them and visits. And he said basically the 122 versions and a lot of these like 118s and 125s coming out are just the 140s, but they didn't benchmark that good for the lottery. So they're just like they're like, it's a new ASIC. It's the same thing.
Right. It's a low model that meet the expectations. So they're making a new model.
Yeah, it's brand new, but $2,000, dude. Like, I feel like I'm watching a Red Panda video because I started watching Red Panda at the beginning of 21, and he was showing the previous bear market. He's like, these GPUs these ASICs used to cost $2,000-$3,000. They were selling for $15,000, and now they're all selling for $2,000 to $3,000. Like, I would not be shocked. I honestly, that's why I want to buy it. I'm like, dude, I'll buy this for $2,200. There's no way this thing will go for $5,000-$6,000 later on, even if I can't mine with it. I think even hardware is a decent thing to get into. I really do.
That's why I pulled my trigger on the L7, man. I got it. Got a deal on it because you already know in the bull run those things are going to go back up to $20,000 again.
Yeah, it's a win-win. Profitable now, and you're going to make a shitload of money later.
Here's the mining thing, and I know it's really hard for everybody, but man, you need to save. If you're going to make money during the bull run, Kate, you need to save all the money, wait for the bear market, and that's when you expand and acquire hardware, not during the bull run.
Well said. Well said. Oh, Joker Miner became he said stop the cap. Oh. Became a member. Thank you so much, Joker Miner. Nice guy. All right, piss off. I'll see you on COD. Love you, buddy.
Later, man.
Buddy. Oh, okay. I think we got no one else. So what we're gonna do now, chat. We get any more callers. I'm gonna end the stream pretty soon. Oh wait, why did everything just go black and white? Did everything just go black and white? Hold on. I'm having issues. Oh, we're good. Hold on. Well, let's check out crypto prices one coin. Thank you guys. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you once again, Jokermine, for becoming a member, and thank you, Sadie. Let's look at prices before we log off. I want to play some Call of Duty with my buddies. Thank you, everyone. I'm sorry if I wasn't reading chat as thoroughly. If there's any questions, feel free to at me. Yeah, dude. I don't know. I think. Yeah. So this is what I thought, man. Dude, the fact that we're holding 20K is really nice, though. All right, let's check out Doge again. I don't know. I'm really excited. I'm really excited, guys. Oh, I wasn't even sharing screen. My bad. We're holding 20K here. Dude, if we can hold 20... Dude, it's starting. Again, guys, listen. I am excited for the bull run. It's all up to the Fed. Please understand that, in my opinion. Maybe you don't agree with that. I totally understand. It's all up to the Fed, man. The Fed controls us. The Fed is going to decide if we rally or not. We're holding 20K, though, dude. Damn, that's crazy. Dude, wasn't Bitcoin just like 16K? Wasn't it just... Dude, we're up 20% in the last 5 days. $3,000, $3,500 in the last 5 days on Bitcoin. That's crazy. I'm surprised the other crypto coins aren't really rallying. Like Doge is, maybe it's moving a little bit. Okay, you know, 17% in the last 5 days. Let's see Flux. Flux hasn't really been moving that much. It's been moving though. 10%, you know, that's good. Let's see the last 7 days. Oh, actually, it has been moving. The last 7 days, Flux is up almost 20% too. Hello, Black Crypto. Hello, everyone. That's really solid. My Tesla. My Tesla. It's all right. It'll recover. Ergo. Oh, let me show you guys what I'm mining. I have been getting back into mining, even though my electric rate is stupid. Here's the thing. You guys know, big fan of Flux. Huge fan of Flux. So I got Flux going on. This is keeping my room really warm. This one's in the Octominer, I believe. This one's at my buddy's house. It's free electric where he lives. It's an Ergo rig. This one is an Octominer. Here's another Octominer I got on. Oh shit! One of my Octominers turned off. Oh no. This one has been having some issue. Wait, did it not turn off? It said it was off. Maybe it's not. Oh yeah, dude, this one's having major issues. What the hell? Look at this. It's like connecting, disconnecting. What? Maybe it's the watchdog messing it up. Hold on. Let me restart that. That's not cool. What the hell? This is almost 2,000 watts I'm paying for. Ridiculous. And then we got one more Ergo rig at a buddy's house, a different buddy's house. He's free electric, so I buy them like lunch or something. I used to pay them every month, but I was like, dude, I can't afford to pay you. I'm making no money. A Neoxa? Let me see. Neoxa? Last I looked, Neoxa was not doing well. Let me see. I hope Neoxa does well. Oh, wow. Okay. It's better than it was. Okay. Neoxa's a nice project. I like Neoxa. I just wonder what will drive Neoxa's price up. I don't know. DJ Mines. Hey, man. I've got one of those old block eruptor cubes that does 38 terahash on BTC if you want it. Like for free? Are you trying to sell me it? 38 gigahash? Yo, I'll love it. Can you hit me up on Discord, bro? Because I can't really message you here. Can you hit me up on Discord? Hell yeah, dude. Cardano? See, I don't really look at proof of stake. I'm not a fan. I'm not a proof of stake kind of guy. Cardano to USD. And this is... Wow, okay, that's up a little bit. So, 12% last 5 days. Last month is up 15%. Yeah, I don't like proof of stake. Or yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Unfortunately, proof of stake is what gets all the attention though from the media. It sells better, right? Like proof of work is sold really negatively. Yeah, join my Discord. Message me right now or type in my general chat. Just say hi. because I have it so where you can't message me first. Yeah, proof of stakes. It's always what you hear about, right? Like you always hear about. Obviously, you hear about Bitcoin, but besides Bitcoin, you hear about like Ethereum, you hear about Cardano, you hear about, well, you do hear about Doge a little bit, but not really. You hear about like Solana, all these other ones, but you never hear about proof of work when you're watching really anything besides like YouTubers. So I don't know. I think it's tough, right? Because like maybe in a bull run, we have a better chance. Like even helium I hear about on the news is crazy. But I never hear anything about proof of work because it's got such a negative stigma of like how it's ruining the environment, whether that's true or not, right? Whether you believe it or not. I don't believe it personally, but it just sells better, like the proof of stake model, at least in the bear run. I think in the bear run, right? There's so much negative energy. Like everybody's negative. They just look for anything. In a bull run, nobody gives a crap. You can burn down the power grid and nobody bats an eye. Nobody cares because there's money to be made, and that's all that matters during a bull run to these people. But during a bear market, and they pick and choose everything. So weird, ETH not being around anymore. My A10 turned off. Oh, dude, can't you do Ethereum Classic? Yeah, dude, I remember when A10 came out, and I saw like a YouTube video. There was like this female, and she was like showing it, and it was like the craziest thing. And as soon as they released, they weren't even that cool. They mined with them all, and then they sold them to everybody for like what, 10 to 15,000 or some crap, right before the merge. Man, how have you guys been feeling? GPU mining, from what I've seen, is not profitable at all. So I haven't been as focused on the GPU mining. I think the ASIC mining's been really good though. Everything besides Bitcoin, like anything you can think of, really. Doge has been profitable. Litecoin's been profitable as far as like ASIC miners. Nervos, CK Nervos, Sia Coin, Cadena, anything you can think of pretty much. Like ASICs are awesome, man. ASIC have been absolutely incredible during the bear market. GPUs have been the ones that have just been losing so much money, right? GPU mining. Hopefully that picks up. I don't know. Hopefully. ETC works, but not worth it. Yeah, ETC is tough, right? Because everybody that had ASICs just swapped it over. So, I mean, the competition is crazy, right? ETC is a tough one, man. My FPGA 2020 has been profitable. There you go. What's it on? Yeah, the E9 was very bad. Yeah. All right, I'm done. I need to go play Call of Duty. I'm going to go hang out with my family for a little bit before they sleep. Great stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Mining community. It is incredible. I don't know what you guys are feeling. My sentiment is definitely adjusting. It's definitely adjusting. I'm feeling a lot more bullish. Still a little bit skeptical. Like I said, February, when the Fed speaks, it's going to be a really big deal, in my opinion. And that's what I'm waiting on. I'm going to wait till the Fed speaks in February. If it's a 25 basis point, which is 0.25%, I think it's bull market on. So yes, I am bullish, but I'm very skeptical at this in January, at the making of this video on January 13th. We'll see what happens in January. Keep mining. Keep buying the coin if you have to. Honestly, in my situation, it's much more profitable to just buy the coin than to mine. But I'm liking it. Flux halving's coming up. I want to support that. I want to get as much flux as I possibly can. I think it's criminal. It's 60 cents. This is a joke. 60 cents flux, I'll take that all day. Anything under $1 is a no-brainer. I love every single one of you. Have a great day. Catch you guys in Call of Duty. Join my Discord. Join the Discord. Oh, you get $20 off if you buy the Flux node as well with my code. Love you guys. Join the Discord. Here's the links for all that. My Discord, Twitter. Check us out on Twitter. Join the Discord. Peace out, guys. Call of Duty! Let's go!